please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel.
We're here today with Michael Falzer, National Sales Manager for Solaxx Water Treatment Solutions, and they're based in Boynton Beach, Florida. So I'd like you to touch a little bit about Solaxx, maybe some company history, as well as some of the products and solutions that you offer, especially during the pandemic that we find ourselves in right now, as far as kind of alternatives to water optimization.
So Solaxx is very actually product specific in most of our products in the pool industry related. We focus on water treatment solutions for the water itself. So while you have a lot of other companies in our industry that do a lot of different other things for the pool, such as like heat pumps or motors or filters, things like that in the whole pad, we focus on all water treatment. Examples would be salt chlorination systems, UV ozone systems, digital testing equipment, things like that. So we are very product specific, and that helps our manufacturing side.
The pool and spa industry is going to experience a trichlor-chlorine shortage in 2021. Hurricane Laura back in August of this year spoiled like 40% of the nation's chlorine in a factory fire in Louisiana as part of the storm.
Right.
So I wondered how Solaxx products can kind of come in as a chlorine alternative and kind of fill the void that this shortage is going to create.
Well, it's an interesting question. I don't think we've actually experienced this before because chlorine is so widely known in our industry as what people use in their swimming pools, in ground or above ground. So I think it kind of opens up the doors for those alternatives. Traditionally, users that have been using, tablets, chlorine tabs, kind of opens up the doors for what we do. One of the alternatives is what's called a salt chlorination system, which we manufacture. Also, UV ozone systems would be also another alternative to use. You have to use it with a chlorine residual, other than tablets, but you can, obviously, we offer those different products.
So, for someone who might have never used a salt system before but's interested because of this shortage that's going to be going on, can you briefly just explain the process and kind of the look and the feel? How does a salt system differ from like a traditional chlorine, and does the water feel different overall?
Yes, it does. Even though you're producing chlorine, you're producing it in a different manner. So what you're doing is you're taking salt as a natural solid material, putting it in the water, and the equipment itself actually helps produce a different type of chlorine. Whereas it creates like a softer water experience where it becomes more of an enjoyable swimming experience. And there's lots, we have a salt system, there's lots of them available that you can look into. But I think that I actually prefer salt over some of the different traditional ways of chlorinating pool, like a tablet.
Right.
So I think that what it will do with what's going on with the tabs, it will kind of open up people's eyes to alternatives they have out there. But it is definitely, you don't have a lot of the feeling you'd have on your skin or your eyes, kind of like a burning sensation.
Right.
It is chlorine, but it's a different way of producing chlorine.
Thanks for watching.